Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is a cook with me video where I show you how I'm doing my turkey and potato casserole. Yes, hey, you can never go wrong with a casserole, guys. I'm just saying. And I actually just came up with this recipe because I had these gold dust potatoes on hand, as well as some ground turkey and other ingredients. And I was like, what can I make for dinner with this stuff? And I thought, a casserole. Why not? So I just took the potatoes, as you saw, washed them, cut them up. Now I am cooking up the ground turkey, and it's the Butterball 8515 because I like my turkey to have a little bit of fat content because it fries up better, you know, and it doesn't shrink down like ground beef. You know, ground beef, it's something. So I added a little bit of seasoning salt to the turkey to let it, you know, cook up really nice. You know, I'm a firm believer in seasoning my food. So I'm just gonna, you know, toss this turkey around, cook this turkey until it is done. And while I'm cooking, I'm actually just chatting with the husband, you know, talking about the upcoming holidays, that sort of thing. And, you know, just shooting the breeze. It's life at home. He sometimes likes to watch me cook. He's a sweetie. As you can see, he's hovering. He's so adorable. But yes, so I'm just going to cook this ground turkey. There's going to be some liquid in it that I'm going to allow to cook down because I don't want to drain the turkey. I just feel like that can dry it out. So that's what I'm doing there, is just, you know, letting that liquid cook out really well and cook down. And then once I'm done, I'm going to add the turkey to the potatoes. And those potatoes are so pretty, like just that pretty golden color. I just love it. It's something. And they're really good potatoes. They cook up very well. So if you've never had Yukon potatoes or the gold dust potatoes, definitely give it a try. So here I'm just adding some cream of chicken soup. Yes, see, just another ingredient I had on hand. You know, if you have cream of chicken or cream of mushroom, you know, you can easily throw together a casserole. And so that's what I decided to do, throw together a casserole. So now I'm just adding my bacon pieces. Because, you know, we do a lot of bacon pieces in our house. I don't know if you've noticed that. You see it in our grocery hauls and all that. So I'm just going to mix this pretty well, you know, just to make sure everything's covered. You know, just start that process of, you know, mixing it together. Because I've got a few more ingredients to add. So here's the other can of cream of chicken soup. And we're just going to mix that through, make sure it's covered and everything. So now I'm just sprinkling in some shredded cheddar cheese, and it's the sharp cheddar because, you know, cheese. You can never go wrong with cheese. And as you know, we keep all types of cheese in our house. Shredded cheese, sliced cheese, chunk cheese. I swear, we should buy stock in like a dairy farm because we definitely keep them in business. Now I'm just adding a couple of heaping tablespoons of sour cream, and that was the Daisy's brand, which is probably my favorite. And it has such a great flavor. I mean, and you can never go wrong with sour cream. You can do so much with it. And if you don't have sour cream, a good substitute for sour cream is plain Greek yogurt. Really good substitute. So I'm just gonna mix everything, and then I'm gonna add it to my baking pan. And this is a non-stick baking pan, and it cooks pretty well. It, bakes up everything really easily, and evenly. I love this pan. It was a wedding gift from a friend of mine. I cannot tell you where she got it from, but I think it may have been Bed Bath and Beyond. I'm not sure. This has been quite a few years ago when she gave this to us. So now I'm just going to top the casserole with the rest of the cheese. Yay, more cheese. Just trying to spread it out. I had to start using my hand because I was making a mess. And Luna was very excited because she is a cat who loves cheese. She loves shredded cheese. She loves melted cheese, like pizza cheese. She loves cream cheese. Our cat is very strange, but we love her. So you just want to pop the casserole in the oven on 375 and bake it until the potatoes are done. It took about 45 minutes for that to happen. All right, friends, here are the final results. This is the turkey potato casserole. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the Bradley family. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media. We are at Trippin' Bradleys on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye!